Okay, let's go. This is the seated calf raise with dumbbells. Before you begin, make sure to watch this video to the end to assure that you learn the proper form and details of this movement. Good technique ensures maximum benefit and reduces injury risk. Start by sitting on a sturdy bench or chair with your feet flat on the ground, shoulder width apart. For better range of motion, place the balls of your feet on a small elevated surface, like a block or plate. Rest a dumbbell across the top of each knee and hold them in place with your hands. Sit upright and engage your core. Lift your heels as high as you can, pressing through the balls of your feet. Pause briefly at the top to fully contract your calf muscles. Slowly lower your heels back down, controlling the movement and allowing a slight stretch at the bottom if you're using an elevated surface. This exercise strengthens your calves, specifically the soleus muscle. Perform 12 to 15 reps per set, focusing on slow, controlled movements to engage the muscles effectively. Remember, quality over speed builds strength and muscle definition.